What a beautiful morning! Oh, why is everything so gray?
Where did my red chair go?
What happened here? My colors are gone too.
Don't worry, Minnie. We'll bring the colors back!
Look, Mickey, over by the door. Oh boy, look at that! Aha! If we fix it, the colors will come back. Yay! The colors are back! The house looks beautiful again!
A happy morning, Mickey starts his day! Ha-ha!
Gosh, what was that sound to? Wow! This bell is so special!
Let's see what else you can do, little Belle. Oh boy, look at that! Incredible! Wow!
Whoa! Oh boy! This is so much fun!
I should share this joy. Sharing joy brings happiness to everyone. See you next time, friends.
Hello, little friends! Today, Mickey and his friends are going on a very special adventure into the vast universe.
Ha-ha! Everything's ready! Pluto and I are going to fly into space. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off! Let's fly high and explore the stars. Look, Pluto, a green and yellow planet. I'm sure there are lots of exciting things there. Let's land and explore. Woof. Wow! Look! We've met an alien creature! It's so cute and mute and friendly!
Woof, woof. Oh. It's getting late! It's getting late! We have to head back home!
Hi everyone! I'm Mickey, and today I'm taking you on a fun adventure in this amazing garden. Come on, let's explore together.
Wow! Every corner of this garden holds a new surprise. It's truly amazing.
I'm sure we'll find some really fun things, Minnie. Let us see what surprises await us. Gosh, this place is amazing, Pluto. Just think of all the fun we can have. Barks happily and wags tail vigorously. Now that we're all here, let's explore this incredible garden together.
Oh, that sounds wonderful, Mickey.
Wow! This tree helped us find colorful flowers.
Let's take a look, Minnie. Wow, look! A magical tree! It's glowing! Wow, this is amazing! I've never seen a magical tree like this before. Do you think we can touch it?
Don't worry, Minnie. Let's see if something magical happens when we get closer. And with a touch, the tree awoke, showering the garden with wonders untold. Whoa! What in the name of the 7 seas is all this? Looks like I nearly missed all the fun.
Wow, these are perfect for a bouquet. Huey, Dewey, and Louie would love these.
Oh, they're simply divine.
What an adventure this has been. This garden is full of wonders. Indeed, Mickey. We found so many wonderful things and discovered that the world is full of surprises and magic. The garden shimmered with newfound magic, and every friend gazed in wonder at the beautiful world they had discovered. And that's the end of Mickey and Minnie's adventure in the magical garden.
Our adventure in the magical garden ends here for today.
Always love exploring, little friends. Almost perfect. Just a few more touches. And here's the star of the show, Minnie's special birthday cake.
Now for the tricky part. Where to hide this delicious surprise? Perfect. Minnie will never guess. This is going to be the best surprise ever!
Phew! Success! No one will ever find it there.
Need help? I'm really good at this stuff, you know? Oh, Goofy. I think it's better if you stay a little further away, or else this party might turn into yuck, yuck, yuck. Goush. My bad, Mickey. Didn't mean to. It's quite all right, Goofy. Just try not to help too much. There! That should do it! Oh, Pluto! What have you done? Goush! He found the surprise. It's okay. Sometimes the best surprises come with a little chaos. Surprise! Happy birthday, Minnie!
Oh, what a surprise!
Happy birthday to you!
It's absolutely perfect!
Life is full of unexpected surprises, don't you think?
Thanks for joining in!
Always stay happy, and don't forget to create your own surprises in life. Hello, little ones! Today, Mickey and his friends will have an exciting outdoor adventure. We'll go on a picnic in the forest. I'm getting everything ready for the picnic. We'll have sandwiches, fruit, and drinks to quench our thirst. Everything's ready.
Hi, Mickey. I brought a picnic mat, and let's sit and relax on it.
I brought some more fruit so we can have a delicious picnic. Pluto, will you join us? Let's run, jump, and explore the forest.
Wow, look! These flowers are so beautiful! And this tree is so big, we have to try sitting in its shade.
The scenery is amazing! It's so much fun exploring nature like this. And so, a wonderful picnic day for Mickey and his friends has come to an end.
We explored nature. It's a beautiful sunny day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Everyone has different ways of relaxing. Minnie reads a book. Goofy sleeps.
Go get it, Pluto! Yeah! Nice cat!
Bye-bye, everyone. Always cherish nature and friendship. One sunny afternoon, at his familiar little house, Mickey Mouse is preparing something very special. I found it! Ah! Mickey wants to have a fun concert. But why does the sound so strange?
Hi, Mickey. What are you doing?
Mickey wants to play music for everyone, but Mickey can't yet.
That's it. I have an idea. Don't worry, Mickey. Let's do it together.
Oh. That sounds better. Ha ha ha! Bye-bye, everyone! Let's always have fun and share it together!
Hello, little friends. Today, Mickey and Pluto are going on a new adventure. Let's see what they discover today.
Pluto and I are going to explore the forest behind our house. Let's see what fun things we can find. All set! Are you ready for our adventure, Pluto? Here we are, Pluto. The forest looks amazing today. Wow! Look at this, Pluto! The trees are so green and the air is so fresh. Where should we go first? Hey, look! A little stream! This is perfect! Let's pick up some small stones and throw them into the water. Haha! We've walked quite a long way. But today is so great, isn't it, Pluto?
Hello, little friends. Today is a wonderful day at the park. And who's gonna guide us on this fun adventure? That's right. Hi, Mickey. Hi! I heard we're gonna have a fun day, right?
Right, Minnie. We'll play, eat ice cream, and explore every corner of the park.
Where should we start?
Check it out! Here's the bumper cars! Let's see who's the best driver!
Oh no! Mickey, don't bump into me! Don't worry, Minnie. I just want to try it out. Gosh, so many choices. Maybe the strawberry swirl. Wow, this ice cream is delicious. This is definitely a well-earned treat after a fun game. Exactly, Mickey. Nothing better than enjoying ice cream on a hot summer day. Oh, for Pete's sake! Oh, almost there! Got it! Woohoo! Friends, goodbye!
So long, Donald! Farewell, Donald!
Oh, this is so much fun! We love carousels! And so, Mickey and Minnie's fun day at the park comes to an end. And that's it! Thanks for hanging out with Minnie and me! See you next time! Bye-bye!
Hello, little friends! Today, Mickey and his friends are going on an exciting adventure under the sea. Ha ha! This is gonna be so much fun, Mickey! I can't wait! Gosh, look at that!
Wow, look, Goofy! The sea is so blue and peaceful. There are so many wonderful creatures around us.
Ha ha! I've never seen so many fish! And there's even a turtle! Look, Goofy! The dolphins are dancing! Do you think we can swim with them?
We've also met a sea turtle. They're so cute.
Wow! These coral reefs are beautiful! They look like colorful bridges under the sea. Ha ha! The scenery is amazing! It's so much fun to explore nature like this.